Okay, let's have a look, see what's in the box with the Fire TV Stick 4K. I'm not expecting anything unusual, so let's have a look anyway, see what you actually do get. It's relatively heavy, there seems to be a fair amount in here. Right, so it folds out. So, in here, some batteries, a very short HDMI extender cable, kind of to get it away from the back of the TV, stop a bit of interference maybe, for the Wi-Fi. We've got a standard micro USB charger or power cable. Down here, just the usual manuals and warranty cards, and that's it for down there. And down here, UK power adapter. So look, see what that's 5 watts. And 1 amp. Kind of expected a little bit more, but it's fine for a little stick like this. So this is the actual stick itself. Now the 4K stick is a lot better than the original Fire TV stick. We've got a couple of those around the house on older TVs. Those are super slow, don't have much memory. If you're running things like Kodi, it'll dump Kodi out of memory as soon as you go into another application, and then it'll have to load again from scratch. The whole thing's really slow. This is a lot faster, has more memory, so the apps can stay in memory and don't get discarded after the loading of each one. So a lot more slick, can handle H.265 encoded files, which is handy if you've got more of those these days. HDMI connector on the end, power on the side, and that's it for that. There's not a lot more to it. It's quite heavy-ish. It's larger than the standard Fire TV stick. Have a look at the remote quickly. Nothing else in the packaging, so get rid of that. So a relatively standard Amazon remote, similar to the ones we've already got, but they have added, get that off, a volume button and muting, which could be useful to you. A power button as well. I haven't had that on one of the remotes before. An Alexa voice command button, which we have got on the Fire TV 4K box, which is used in our living room. But other than that, controls remain very similar. When you're inserting the batteries, cover slides off like that. Now, I think in some of ours, the batteries are next to each other. These are in a row. When they were next to each other, it was just always an idea to look at the which way the batteries were inserted, because they were kind of odd. They didn't go in that odd order that you normally get in other remotes. You end up putting them in wrong, and then the remote doesn't work. So shouldn't be infrared, but it's interesting to note that this is all shiny, like there's an infrared signal coming out of here. So I'm not sure whether that is the case, whether it can fire infrared, but I thought it all worked through like a Bluetooth or wireless signal. So I have to have a look at that. Anyway, that's what's in the box. It should be fine for use with Kodi, a lot faster to load other applications too. So there you go. Thanks for watching.